In this video, let's learn how to elevate your identity security with the industry's most advanced AI-powered identity security posture management platform. Let's reimagine and reinvent your identity security with Saviynt ISPM. Built on zero trust principles, the platform fortifies identity data hygiene, prioritizes remediation, and minimizes manual effort, effectively reducing your attack surface. As you can see here on the screen, everything an analyst needs is brought together in one unified view. That means less time navigating multiple modules and more time making smart, informed decisions. And we don't stop at just visibility. ISPM enables action. We're helping our customers move beyond visibility to full observability and real-time remediation. It's where intelligence meets automation and where identity security becomes measurable, proactive, and truly transformative. To access the ISPM dashboard, search and select ISPM dashboard or navigate to Intelligence, Posture Management, and ISPM dashboard. On the very top of this page, you can find Savi, a chatbot powered by an advanced conversational AI engine now integrated into the ISPM dashboard. This integration delivers a seamless, AI-driven user experience. This conversational AI engine simplifies data analysis by transforming natural language prompts into SQL queries. Users can interact with the copilot using plain English to generate, optimize, and execute queries without manually writing or modifying SQL code. For example, let's say I select the prompt, Top 5 Managers with the Most Reportees. The Savi Intelligence Engine processes this and provides a list of the 5 managers with the highest number of direct reports. From here, I can either download the report in a CSV format or refine my query further by entering additional follow-up questions or texts. As you can see, Savi is contextually aware, and users can interact with Savi in plain English, eliminating the need to write or edit SQL manually. The results are displayed in both tabular format and through automatically generated visualizations, enabling fast and insightful analysis. You can copy this chart as an image. If you want to clear the current query and start fresh, hit the Reset chat. This will remove the executed query and provide you with a blank canvas to enter a new request. Hence, this feature empowers business users to gain insights, build reports and charts with a simple, easy-to-use interface, and promote self-serviceability, reducing reliance on tools and people. The results are presented in a tabular format and visualized through automatically generated charts, enabling quick and insightful analysis. You can be audit-ready by instantly generating and downloading data-driven reports for further review and analysis. Let's navigate back to the dashboard. ISPM dashboard supports both dark and light modes, allowing users to switch between themes for better visibility and comfort. You can toggle between these modes from the ISPM landing page to suit your preference. The ISPM dashboard provides comprehensive visibility into identities accounts, entitlements, roles, and resources for identity governance and administration, application access governance, and privileged access management. The dashboard provides a centralized view for effectively monitoring and managing access risks. Dashboard has a month-on-month percentage message displayed with a percentage indicator. Hovering over the percentage will reveal the exact value. You can click on charts or data points to expand the view and explore underlying data. The dashboard data refreshes automatically every 24 hours, ensuring you always have the most recent insights, and hence you can detect early abnormal access trends before they escalate into potential security threats. For example, the Identities tile on the dashboard displays active KPI ribbons for identities. This shows active identities and month-on-month changes. This tile gives a quick snapshot of current state of identity and access management within the organization. This information assists organizations in monitoring new hires, terminations, and access cleanups, offering important insights into identity management. Let's select User Timeline. Here you can track users' request process, including the progress and history of access approvals and other identity-related activities. Let's select Access Path. The Access Path feature provides a detailed visual representation of access information for a selected user. It allows users to view, trace, and understand how identities are linked to specific privileges through accounts, access, and privileges. This feature helps you verify user access, identify potential risks, and make informed decisions regarding remediation. The top left corner contains user information such as the user's name, job title, and profile picture. The KPI ribbon here provides a snapshot of the user's access footprint, including active accounts, active entitlements, active roles, active resources like application and workloads. The Accounts section shows all active accounts linked to the user across various applications and endpoints. A user may have multiple accounts within the same application or across different ones. The Access section outlines how accounts are linked to access. Privileges outline the permissions linked to entitlements, detailing the system-level actions that users are authorized to perform. These privileges are mapped at the entitlement level. Let's navigate back to the dashboard. Here the Accounts tab tracks active accounts and their MOM trends. An increase in active accounts may indicate excessive provisioning, while a decrease suggests that deactivation efforts are underway. The Entitlement tile shows the number of active entitlements and their MOM changes. A decline in entitlements indicates improved access, revocation, and governance. The Role tile shows the number of active roles in the first row, followed by the percentage change in active roles compared to the previous month. The difference is presented as a percentage indicating whether there has been an increase or decrease in the total count compared to the last month. The Resources tab monitors active applications and workloads, along with their MOM changes, to ensure visibility into system usage and infrastructure trends. An increase may signal expanding infrastructure, while a decline suggests decommissioning efforts. The Accounts entitlements, roles, and resources tiles are scheduled for future release. The Recommendations section of the ISPM dashboard provides real-time security insights by highlighting key performance indicators, KPIs. This section presents the top 4 recommendations ranked by their severity and impact. Select Show All to view the top recommendations based on priority scoring. Additionally, these recommendations are actionable, but this access is limited to the admin persona. Let's analyze the recommendation review birthright access issues for 3 users. This highlights users for whom birthright access was not provisioned. Select Review to see details and take actions to resolve this. The Take Action will redirect you to the Analytic Control page, which offers actionable steps to address the identified risk. So you're not just observing the problem, you're resolving it as well. Navigate to an ISPM dashboard. The Security Posture Index, SPI, is a unified score that provides Chief Information Security Officers, CISOs, a high-level overview of their organization's identity security posture. This score is calculated based on all data points tracked and metrics calculated in ISPM and security indicators related to the organization's identity security, with a scale ranging from 0 to 100. By presenting security in a single, easy-to-understand metric, the SPI empowers CISOs to make informed decisions and proactively enhance identity security. This is scheduled for future release. The Posture Insight contains 2 tabs, Access and Data and Governance, providing a comprehensive view of security and governance metrics. The Access and Data tab focuses on access posture visuals. It highlights data quality issues within the organization, providing insights into dormant accounts, duplicate identities, orphan accounts, inactive roles with active assignments, active users with inactive managers, out-of-band access, and others, which focuses on access trends, risk analysis, and data integrity metrics. The Governance tab displays all visuals related to certifications like expiring campaigns, the revocation effectiveness of the campaign, and a snapshot of the different actions of the campaign. Now on the right-hand side, you'll notice a section Low Trust Detection. Low Trust Detection analyzes user behavior and access patterns to determine if an identity or entitlement poses a security risk based on trust score algorithms. Low Trust Detection and ISPM assigns a trust score to each identity on their account's entitlements relationship based on peer analysis, entitlement risk compliance status, and historical review data. It helps organizations identify risky access patterns, flag unauthorized entitlements, and improve identity governance. Here you can see a breakdown of trust scores across your environment, helping you identify the underlying entities contributing to low trust levels. For example, here 8% of low trust detections are attributed to identities, 52% to applications, and 40% to workloads. This section helps you to view your highest risks across your organization, get insights into the origins of your risk by leveraging access, and also to review or clip access to sensitive assets, outlier, or unused access. In this video, we explored how the ISPM dashboard works and walked through its key features. We're continuously working to enhance the dashboard with new innovative capabilities to make the entire process more interactive, intelligent, and seamless. Stay tuned and keep watching this space for more exciting updates. We've got plenty more coming your way. Thank you for watching.